Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video review of the headband modding that I've done on my HiFiMAN Ananda Nano. It's the same headband that's on the Sundara and other Anandas, and I believe the Edition XS as well. The default headband suspension that goes along here is really not that comfortable. It's supposed to soften up over time, but I've had it for over a month and I've used it for, I don't know, several hours a session most days, and it hasn't softened up. It's really stiff and rigid, and it's like cardboard. You can hold it flat like that and it just stays. So what I decided to do is, rather than dismantle all of this, I just cut it at the ends here. So just cut it with a pair of scissors and that's it. And I bought a kit of fastener buttons. So it's just these off Amazon, a few pounds. It's really cheap. And then the fixing kit as well to clamp them together. So all it is the button end goes onto here. I used araldite epoxy to glue it onto each headband side and leave that for 24 hours to cure. Once it's cured, there's no way these are coming off. So you'd have to use a wrench or some kind of lever to get those off. So they're on there full time now, which is quite interesting. I then bought Custom Can's own HiFiMAN suspension band or strap. This is the 1.3mm version, so it is quite stretchy, and it gets more stretchy as it warms up because it's proper leather. And then I used one of the buttons to attach on each end. So just cut it to shape, attach it on each end, and then you've got a really good method to attach these onto. And all it does is just clips on. I'll do the other side as well. And that is it. So that is your suspension band now. And I also bought, I actually bought this before I did this mod. So it is just a suspension headband strap from a Logitech pair of headphones. And this is really elasticy, so you can stretch it and it's really soft and comfortable. So I then just attached some of the buttons to this as well. And now this also becomes another option for comfort. So depending on the mood or what kind of listening you're doing, this might be of better use, but it just adds some different flavor to the HiFiMAN headphones, which is really good. And it doesn't end there. You can knit your own headband. You can buy other headband straps now and just put buttons on them, just like that. And you have a selection of different styles. Switch it up every other day, whatever you want to do. But yeah, this was like £5 off Amazon. This was £4 or £5 off AliExpress. And this was the most expensive, £20, but it is genuine leather and it is sort of like Alcantara on one side and actual leather on the other side. So really high quality, really comfortable as well. There's no pressure hotspots anymore like the stock headband strap is. So that relieves all the pressure. This will obviously relieve the pressure anyway because the entire thing's elastic. But yeah, you can use any other stuff. You could even get a padded band, attach the buttons to it, and then just fix it on, and job done. So yeah, that is my mod for HiFiMAN headphones or headband.